In this video, I want to compare quickly the Logitech M196 to the Logitech M170. Which one should you get? Well, first of all, these mouses are quite different in the way they connect to your device. On the left side, the 196 will be compatible with Bluetooth, which means that if you have an iPad, PC, or Mac computer, you don't have to insert any USB dongle on the device. You simply have to tap over here. You see the Bluetooth button to connect. On the other side, the M170 is a bit more a classic mouse, which means that it will have a Bluetooth dongle hidden right over here that you need to connect to your device. This dongle is using USB Type A, which means that if your device has only a USB Type C connector, you'll have to purchase an adapter. The M170 does not have Bluetooth. Both of these mouses are using a AA battery that comes pre-installed. Logitech is claiming that on the M196 the battery can last 12 months. There's no data on how much it lasts on the M170, so this could be something interesting. Otherwise, the performance of both of these mouses are similar. They're able to use optical tracking up to 1000 dpi. If we're talking about comfort, I would say that the M196 is slightly more comfortable. If I put them in this position, you're going to see what I'm talking about. It's higher. It has one of these wedge shape that, in my opinion, it's easier to hold for a longer period of time compared to the M170 that is flatter, so it will take less space on a bag. Maybe this is a plus for you, but I think it's a bit more awkward to hold since there's less, I would say, material in terms of heights. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get one of these mouses. In my opinion, I would go with the M196 simply by the fact that it's using Bluetooth, so it's easier to connect to your devices and it's also more comfortable. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below if you don't agree with me or maybe you agree, and I'll see you in the next video.